A demonstration on the 2.5-inch quarter slice watermelon mold, and this is a 3D mold from the Maker Shop. This is a watermelon hand press consisting of a plate, a shell, and a plunger. Place your shell on top of your plate. Start filling. Give it a little shake. Make sure that all of the mixture gets into the cracks and crevices. If you'd like to poke some holes in your bath bomb, fill it 3/4 of the way. Poke your holes. This will help it to float rather than sink. Continue filling. Give it a shake. A little bit more on the top. Another shake. Take your plunger with the details and the design down, face down, and press. Turn, press, turn, press. Give some gentle taps on the outside of the shell. This will loosen up any suction. Couple taps on the top. It's normally not necessary to tap the bottom plate, but you can if you'd like. It usually lifts straight off. And if it disturbs your details, just push them back in with your finger. Now we're going to use our fingers on the bottom, thumbs on the top of the shell, push up on the plunger and down on the shell simultaneously. You may have to move your fingers around a little bit. Grab your piece of cardboard, place it on the top and turn it over. And your plunger should lift right straight up. Again, if the holes on this mold get damaged or broken, just take your finger and tap them lightly. And that is your quarter slice of your watermelon, the 2.5-inch watermelon mold 3D from the Maker Shop. As always, I'm going to link down below where you can get this mold as well as any others from their Etsy shop or their website. And if you would like a more comprehensive and in-depth description with details about 3D molds and the components that make them up, I will link those below as well.